Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. And those who haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel for the channel to grow. And guys, make a comment, share, like. And as for today, we have our ingredients. We have potatoes and eggs. Those are our main ingredients. As for today's, we are doing quick potato egg snack, guys, and we'll start by grating our potatoes. Guys, we are done with our potatoes. We transfer them in a bowl. We add water. We are washing them. From that point, we'll drain the water. Guys, as you can see, we are done with our potatoes. We have drained the water. Now we add our carrots here. Not too many. As you can see. Okay, we have cornstarch. We add it like that. We mix. Will be for our spices. We'll be using paprika and black pepper. We'll add them like that. Black pepper, we add paprika. We mix. You put them aside. We have our 3 eggs. We beat them. The other one. We add salt. Beat our egg. We add coriander to our egg. We mix. We pour our mixture to our potatoes. We mix. We add salt. We add oil to our pan. We add our mixture. we spread evenly. Guys, we cover for it to cook. Onto that point, guys, we'll add cheese. We add our next layer, guys. Guys, we are going to cover again for it to cook, then we come back. Guys, we turn for the other side to cook. We add oil. We add oil. We add the other side. Guys, as you can see how our snack has turned out to be. Now we go straight to plating it. Guys, as you can see, our potato snack pizza is ready. You can have a look. Try this recipe, guys. Very simple. Anyone at home can do it. And thank you so much for watching. And to those who haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to grow together. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.